How to add news and interest widget on the taskbar. So if you want to add the news and interest or your weather option on your bottom right side of your screen, then what you need to do is first open up your settings application. Once you open your settings under your Windows, now you can go for Windows Update, which is on the bottom left, and then you can go for check for updates, which is here on the right side. Once you click on check for updates, if you have any updates, you need to update your windows. Once you've updated your windows, now you can go back in here. If you want to add weather, then you can simply choose weather application and then you can go for pin on taskbar. And then you will have this kind of weather option. If you click on that application, then it will open up the weather, right? But if you don't want the weather, but if you want the news and interest option, which is here on the bottom right, if you want that, then what you need to do is you need to simply go for settings, or you can go for the bottom and then right click on your taskbar and then go for taskbar settings, and it will take you to the taskbar settings. So here you will have the widgets option, right? So make sure that you have turned on your widgets option. Once you've turned on, now you can have the weather option on the bottom right. So you need to simply update your Windows. But in some kind of laptops, you may not have that option. But if you have that option, then if you turn on your widgets, then you will have the news and interest option on the bottom right side of your taskbar. So that's how you can add news and interest on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.